We're supposed to be doing this video together. That means you have to be here when we open the package, okay? You're a bit cutie, huh? You can start the video. I'm gonna go and wash my head. Jump up. Thought I'd do this video with my cat if she stops. This is a PG-rated video, please. All right, do you want to say hello to YouTube? A lot has changed since my last video. I've moved house for starters. The house came with a cat. I've actually been really sick. I'm a little bit sick at the moment, but it's going away, which is good. Bareknuckles. I don't really want to do that actually. Bareknuckles released their first collection, which I've been hell excited for. Do you want to open the box, man? Like you can go for it, dude. Dude, your tail is gonna get chopped off if you keep flinging it around like that. Okay, she's ready. She's smacking it with a tail. Tail whip! Please, if this falls on the cat, she will, like, honestly kill me. Perfect! The hyped piece, which is everybody's favorite piece, it is right on top, but we'll open that last. We will open this one first, which is the Bareknuckles hoodie with the print on the front. Oh man, I'm so excited to open this. Ditch this, but there's a little lovely letter from the BK boys. Do you want to open the first one? Check it out, what do you think? You can have your little carry bag on your tail. There you go. Guess you didn't like that much, huh? So this is the oversized hoodie, which I ordered in the size XL, which might have been a bit of a mistake as it is quite wide, but in saying that, it just might make me look extra thick. It is really oversized. It's really wide throughout the arms and the body, which means you can go for a smaller size if you want. It does feature 2 silver eyelets on the front of the hood without a drawstring. I personally like that quite a lot, and it also features an inner tape seam, which means that the hood won't stretch out as you like wash and wear this piece, which is pretty cool. The print along the front is quite high quality, quite thick, which means it probably won't peel away over time. It does also have shorter elastic cuffs, which means it's also going to fit quite comfortable around the waistband. The waistband seems to be the same width as the chest. There's no elastic in the waistband, which I really like. It seems quite thick and just well structured. The cut really reminds me of that undercover sweater that blew up not too long ago, probably this time last year. So they're actually made in white and then they're dyed black, but it also was enzyme washed to give it a final soften as well. I'll do like a proper close-up look of it, but as a first impression of just throwing it on, oh dude, very, very comfortable, very soft. And I also just read online on their site that it's actually made to be worn both inside and out, which is really cool. I suppose on the other side it's just a plain black hoodie, right? That's pretty cool. I'm wearing my Comme des Garçons Gun Roy t-shirt, so it's like incredibly oversized. All of my other tees are a little bit more shorter than this. This is my new favorite hoodie, but we still have one more thing to look at, so we'll look at that before we go get comfortable in hoodies. What do you think about this? Are you excited for this piece as well as I am? Because I'm so excited for this piece. This is what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting to do that forever. I just wanted to see if it smelled like anything, you know? The hyped piece. The hype beast. This is kind of their signature piece. It's very, very beautiful. I better unwrap it, huh? I don't want to get any cat hair on it. The striped denim jacket. Oh boy, I'm so glad to own this piece. Their most hyped piece, and also their first sold out piece as well. I don't know if they're doing a second run of them just yet, because I watched Sandra's video where he spoke to Jacob Keller over the phone.
First thing that everyone grabbed was the denim jacket.
Yeah. Kind of teased maybe throwing out a second drop of the jacket just because it did so well. But we don't know what to expect because it is just their first collection. They might just keep it exclusive, but damn, you can see why it is their most hyped piece. It's very beautiful. It's different to every other denim jacket that you see out on the market. Personally, I'm not really a big fan of denim jackets just because they're a bit tough to break in. Never really been a big fan of that kind of grungy, rock star kind of look, and that's what denim reminds me of in a way. So I ordered the size XL. It is an oversized boxy fit, and I did order the XL just because I know denim jackets can sometimes be a little bit too small or just perfectly well fitted. So it has been stonewashed just to strip away the color, to break down the structure, so it is already a little bit more worn in, a little bit more comfortable just to throw on brand new, which is pretty cool. And it's been given a final enzyme wash, just like the hoodie. I believe the stripes are painted on, like hand painted on, which is quite cool. That means that every single jacket that you get is going to be a slightly bit different. I was looking at Cole's Instagram before, Cole McBad, and he actually showed what it looks like before the stone wash is put into place, which is this very vibrant color red and a very dark black. Whoa, it's gone. During assembly, and who the f is calling me? Hello? Looking in the details on their site, these buttons are actually made from gunmetal cobrax, made in Italy. So as you can see, it is quite cropped on the body. It finishes pretty much right at my waist. And given the fact that I did get the XL, the sleeves are a little bit too baggy, but in saying that, when I wear a hoodie underneath it, it's going to look really good. Maybe I should have stuck with the large on this one too. What am I doing, boy? But it is quite comfortable, quite soft. I didn't mean to do that. No, that looks really good. I'll do a proper close-up look probably right now. Robert Verdugo messaged me just now. Let's try and make him as jealous as I can. You don't like that? Bareknuckles, for their first collection, very, very well put together, very high quality garments at what I believe are really, really good, affordable prices for the amount of detail and production that goes into them. I think very, very good job to both Jacob J. Keller and Cole McBad. I'll leave all the links to both of these pieces, Bareknuckles, Jacob's Instagram, Cole's Instagram, down below, so you can go and check out what they're like and check out maybe further upcoming collections. I do have a few more video ideas coming up over the next few weeks, so if you are new here, subscribe, go and click the little notification bell to make sure you do hear about those videos, including a new vlog actually that I'm filming on Friday, which is going to be very exciting. Anything? I'd prefer if you didn't. Do you have anything to say? Alright, thanks for watching.
Yo, the pitter patter gave a rather instant lather feeling as opposed to shitty attitudes that made me bitter after laughter. And I deeply regretted it. I take the D train to go to BK. I can't defeat rain.